Hey y'all. So, give me a second. Y'all know I'm always thirsty. Jesus. I mean, pecans, they're so good. I know pecans are expensive as hell though. They're like buku expensive. Just like my snack though. Okay. Cupcake, I'm finna put you out. Every time I get on the video, you act like you don't know how to act. Look how disgusting. I'm finna put you out. This cat is worse than a damn kid. You hear me? Why? You want to record too? Huh? Say hey to the camera. Don't you do it. Don't you jump on there. Don't you do it. No. Don't try to patronize me. Get down. Cupcake, you so ghetto. Anyways, y'all, listen. So, I'm coming here to just give my little update about my tea because I'm currently waiting. Probably it's about time for me to go to the bathroom a little bit. Stomach starting to brew and everything. Hey girl, you're so pretty. Yeah. So, anyways, okay. So far I've been taking the tea, and I've been doing pretty good. Since my last update, I know I just did like that what I eat in a day situation, but since that last update from like 3.5 weeks ago or whatever, I'm down an extra 5 pounds. I know by the end of this week I will be down some more. The goal is to get down at least 2 more pounds, you know, kind of every week, because that's just the goal I want. Is that the goal you have to have? No, but I've been doing pretty good, and like I tell you guys, I go back and forth from all the teas, you know. So some days I use the get down. Some days I use the original. Other days I use the raspberry, and I use the lemon. Like I said, I don't like the way none of them taste, but you know, I could tolerate it. No. Get down. So now before I get into this, you guys, because I know some people are watching videos to figure out if they want to buy the tea or not. Listen. All of you guys that are selling tea, you know, including myself, don't get discouraged by these negative Nancy's, because I'm telling you now, I just want y'all to listen to me loud and clear. I don't give a damn if you buy tea from me, okay? You don't have to buy tea from me. I won't beg you to buy tea. I don't need that type of negative energy in my life, okay? Because I've been noticing people making reviews about this tea, and other people are like, you know, I'm thinking I'm about to go in the comments and just, I'm not going to drop a link or nothing because I think that's rude, but like I'm about to go in the comments and be like, oh, you know, good job on your weight loss or something like that. And then all I see and start hearing, because I'm one of the people that press the video and like, you know, start scrolling down and start looking at the comments while I'm listening to the video. But then you see all these people talking about some, oh, I just had to make sure that you wasn't selling it because I don't be trusting people that sell it. Man, if y'all don't get the, like, really? First of all, just because somebody sell it don't mean it wasn't a customer first. And everybody know with TLC, in order for you to purchase a product, you got to purchase it under somebody. So what the hell? You want to purchase it under somebody that's actually showing you their face, showing you their results, or you want to purchase from somebody that you don't even know? You know what I'm saying? I'm not even trying to be rude about it, you guys, but I'm just saying, like, see, that's that negative bullshit that I don't like. Because at the end of the day, you on YouTube. You on YouTube looking at reviews. Do you know that damn near 94% of the goddamn reviews on YouTube is sponsored? You know what I'm saying? These people getting paid to say they like this shit anyway. I ain't getting paid to say I like TLC. I get a $20 commission if you buy something. But it's not like they cutting me a damn check like Two-Face and everybody else cutting. They not giving me no $1,000 to post no YouTube video. I'm taking the time out of my life to show you guys my big old belly that I'm losing or whatever with this detox tea aiding me. You know what I'm saying? Like, so I don't understand that. Like, I don't understand. This is why we can't ever win, especially in the black community, because y'all too busy saying, oh, you selling the tea, so I don't want to buy from you. I'm out here showing you my damn stomach. I ain't been to Dr. Miami. You could see my shit. You can see my stomach, but yeah, you don't want to buy it from me, or you complain that I sell a tea, but yeah, you're going to go buy from somebody that you clearly knew was on the table. But you believe their story. Like, that shit's just driving me. Like, it's driving me. I'm going to just stop watching other people's reviews because, see, I'm a cheerleader to me. So, you know, I just be wanting to go and cheer for people, but it's like y'all be having life on bullshit messed up. Like, you know, because social media is just so plastic these days, you know, that it's hard to find somebody real. And I know I might come off as horrible or rude or something, but I mean, I'm nice, but at the end of the day, I'm real. You know what I'm saying? I'm real. Like, I ain't finna kiss nobody ass for nothing. I ain't gotta lie to you, because if I ever stop taking the tea, if I don't want to take it anymore, I'm not gonna take it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not forcing you to buy it. Just like I don't force nobody to buy anything. I sell hair. You don't see me forcing nobody to buy it. I don't force nobody to buy it. You either want it or you don't want it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just business. You know what I'm saying? And so, you know, for my fellow IBOs that's out there buying stuff, I mean, that's out there selling, like, don't get discouraged about these people talking about some, you know what I'm saying, like, everybody named mama selling tea. Okay. Why are you mad? I know a while back, I'm sorry I'm eating these. I'm gonna stop. This is my last one. I'm not gonna eat no more. The 6-figure chick posted a while back. She posted something, and she had said, like something, I don't remember the exact post, but so don't quote me, but it was something like, I'm not about to argue with somebody that I wouldn't trade bank accounts with. Okay. So, that's not saying everybody broke, that's common and saying shit, but here's my thing. Like, if people want something, they can buy it. You know what I'm saying? If you want it, you gonna buy it. So, if you want to try the product, buy the damn product. If you don't like it, make your own damn review and say, this was some bullshit. This was some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, say that. You know what I'm saying? Like, make your own review. If you want to try it. See, that's why I'm not in the business of trying to make people do nothing. I'm gonna post about it. I'm gonna say what I say. I'm gonna tell you it's for sale. All day long, I'm gonna say it's for sale. I don't give out shit for free at all. I'm gonna tell you it's for sale. Now, what you could afford, that's all I want to know. What you want to spend. If you tell me you want to spend $20, well, I'm gonna figure out, you know, give you a few packs. You know what I'm saying? I've been making a killing out of just giving away a few packs for $20. Because why? Because people like to hear and feel something. Okay, when they feel something from you as a person, they want to buy from you, right? And when they hear something that sounds a little more affordable, it's more appeasing to them. Does it make more sense to buy a whole bag? It do, but some people just want to try it and they will see what it is. So they rather spend $20 than to spend $60 plus shipping or whatever. I'm okay with either or. You know what I'm saying? I've been making money from mails. Why? Because they on my Facebook, all up in my inbox, and I made a public service announcement. If you're not buying nothing from me, don't inbox me, okay? I got 5 of them that bought damn tea. Will they probably use it? Probably not. I don't give a damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, so this, I'm saying all this to say, like, y'all with this negative damn energy and shit. Like, I don't even want you to buy nothing from me if you this damn negative. Because, like I said, I'm over here with stretch marks, flabby arms, and everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, and at the end of the day, you're talking about, like, oh, you say 5 pounds, 5 days, I ain't lose 5 pounds. Yeah. First of all, it's a detox tea. It's getting toxins out your body. You might have a lot of backed up shit. It might weigh 5 pounds. But at the end of the day, there is nothing in the world that you can take and you just automatically gonna not change nothing you got going on and just eat whatever. You can't eat, 8 slices of pizza, take some damn detox tea and talk about something, I ain't lose no weight. Well, no, you ain't gonna lose none. And that's why, and it's not even that you got to make a drastic change, but certain things you just got to do. And then, like, you got people that's taking the damn NutriBurst, like, oh, and FYI, I like the way NutriBurst tastes. Like, I really don't find it bad at all, but everybody say it's nasty. Y'all think this thing? I don't know. I like it. I actually thought it was gonna be worse. Like, it smelled like a shitload of vitamins, but to me, it don't taste like it. I don't know. I mean, I mess with it. I like it. But anyways, you got people with misconstrued information and shit. You sitting right there talking about I be taking a NutriBurst. I don't feel no different. Yo, it's a goddamn vitamin. Do you take a one a day and feel different? Like, come on, y'all. Like, come use some common sense, you know what I'm saying? And this is the type of stuff I be talking about, and this is why when it comes to building teams and stuff, like, I don't really be preaching to people about no IBO shit, because like, it's either you gonna want to sell it and you do it, or you don't, because I ain't trying to make everybody no seller, because network marketing ain't for everybody. Like, I've been in the business of sales for a long time. I sell a whole bunch of stuff, so I know how it go. So this ain't built, this ain't for the weak, you know what I'm saying? This ain't for the weak. So even right now, if you guys, you know, you watching my videos because you got a sponsor that you kind of, you know, they probably up there, so you can't really speak to them like talking about, don't be discouraged though, you know what I'm saying? Like, make it work for you. You guys, is all about having a hustle mentality. If you ain't got a hustle mentality, it ain't gonna work. And don't be under these videos trying to argue with these people either, talking about some, yeah, I'm trying to find somebody that don't sell it, and you know, this and that and all that. Like, man, that's bullshit. It's bullshit. Don't go, you know, don't go defending that. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's for you is for you, just like I know what's for me is for me. That's why I'm not trying to beg nobody. I ain't begging nobody, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been on the table. You can see my videos. I'm going to continue to make them. I'm going to continue to share my experience as is, how I like it, how I take it, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, for me, I'm buying a product every 30 days regardless. So if I'm buying it every 30 days, well, hell yeah, I'm going to get a link. Because as I'm over here getting Coca-Cola fine and shit, people going to be asking me, girl, what you doing? You didn't got small. Because guess what? Oh, matter of fact now, oh, bless you, baby. Yes, as a matter of fact, remember I was showing you guys on my first video I did, and I was stepping into the little Walmart trainer because I can't just zip it up myself because my stomach's too big. Well, I have a waist snatcher one, and I told you guys I couldn't close that mug. But look, I'm finna insert a picture, and you finna see, guess what? It is, it don't close all the way or whatever, but it's besides the point. I can get that on, okay? I can get it to go, you know, I got like this much for, like, you know, the little outer part, because you know it hooks together, and then like the little outer part, you know, come around too, so they not quite touching, but they like this far apart, and it's just the fact that I could get the joint and I could actually clink it together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so like I said, you know, people gonna be saying, oh girl, you getting small and stuff and everything, and so instead of me saying, well, go buy it from Joe Blow over there, my battery about to go to his shit. Yeah, so instead of saying go buy from Little Joe Blue, I'm like, oh, well, I sell it. Here's my link. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Me, I had no intention of actually getting any extra product besides my smart ships that come in and just flipping that. But honestly, I mean, I've been selling so many of these week supply shit to where, like, I ain't been having no I've been having to order. I've been having to constantly order because, like I said, people rather buy 10, 20 packs. I mean, no, not 10, 20, but 10 packs than to go ahead and just buy the whole 25. And that's just what they want. And I'm going to give them what they want because, you know, I'm in the business of sales. Whatever my customer want, that's what I'm going to provide. So if they want $20 worth, I'm going to get them $20 worth. If they want $25 worth, I'm going to give them $25 worth. Okay? So, and that's just it. So, yeah, y'all miss me with the drama. Don't come on my video with that, because everybody got time for that. They got real people out here giving reviews. Just like if you try the product, you gotta buy from somebody, and when you do and you like the product and you like, well, let me sell it too, then what the hell? You want people to have that same energy you got right now? Like, oh, I'm not finna buy from you. You sell it, so you probably lying.